All right, word problems. So the diagram shows the portion of a rectangular pyramid that is removed to make a sunscreen bottle. The portion that is removed is also a rectangular pyramid. Find the unit cost of the sunscreen. So the volume of the bottle, we are going to use volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. The price, it says, is $9.96. So we want to know the unit price per volume. So first let's look at the original pyramid. Oh, sorry, I forgot the last part. So we had the big giant pyramid, and then we have this little tiny one on top that gets removed. So we're actually going to remove the small pyramid. So it's almost like having the big pyramid original minus the small. I'll explain that even further here in a second. So the original pyramid is volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So the area of the base of the original is a rectangle, and that is a 2x1. So my base is 2 times 1, which equals 2. So I have 1/3, 2 times my height of the whole thing, which is 6. So 2 times 6 is 12, divided by 3, and I get my volume equals 4 inches. The smaller pyramid is this little tiny portion on top, which they zoomed in up here for us. So my base equals my length, which is 0.5, times my width, which is 0.25. So 0.5 times 0.25 gives me 0.125. So now I'm going to plug that into my formula. Volume equals 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So 1/3 times 0.125 times my height, which is 1.5. So I'm going to do times 1.5, divide by 3, and I get volume equals 0.0625. So now what we need to do is subtract the 2, because we took off this top section here. This is now gone. So we subtract, I'm going to write this over here, so 4 minus 0.0625, and that gives me 3.9375. So this is the volume of my entire thing. So what we did was we found the volume of the original, found the volume of the smaller one, and then we subtracted them, and that equaled this. So now we're going to take the price, which was $9.96, and we're going to divide that by the volume. So 3.9375, and this gives me, so move this over here, 96 divided by 3.9375, and that is 2.5 to 3, roughly, I rounded, but about $2.53 is our answer. So this is our final answer. And then I want you to try it on your own, and then you'll check your answer with mine.